In the heart of the vibrant jungle, Leo the lemur is swinging through the trees with a big smile, ready to teach essential concepts. With each leap, he counts the treetops, inviting young viewers to count along with him. Next, meet Carla the chameleon, who magically changes colors, helping babies identify red, green, and blue through catchy tunes. As the jungle comes alive with harmony, Ziggy the zebra caterpillar introduces shapes by tracing stars and circles in the mud. Finally, Flora the frog joins in to teach simple words like leaf and sun, using playful dances. As the adventure winds down, they gather for a joyful recap song, summing up all they learned. They remind viewers to subscribe, ensuring more rainforest learning awaits their eager minds.